Hello guys, this is how to 1v1 in CS2. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So what you're gonna go ahead and do first is you're gonna open up the console. Um, so I do so by pressing the tilde key. Um, so to configure that, what you're gonna go ahead and do is to open up your settings and then click on game. Just make sure it's on game, and then you're gonna enable developer console, um, and then to figure out which key you will use to open up the console. You will go into your mouse and keyboard, um, and the instruction should be there. Um, and you can go ahead and configure it yourself. You can change what key you use. So you open up the console, then we're gonna open up any map. So you'll type in map, space, pick any map, and then click enter. So it should take you to a map. I chose the ancient Italia. Just wait for the game to load in. And just like that, the game will load in. So it's gonna open up with a bunch of bots. So what you're gonna do to get rid of the bots is you're gonna open up the console again. Then you're gonna type in bot underscore kick, and then click enter, and that should boot out all the bots that joined in. And then the next thing that you're gonna go ahead and do is you are gonna open up on the console. You're gonna type in status, and then click enter. So there, right there. Then in the second line, you're gonna copy the IP address. The IP address is there in the second line, right there. So you're gonna go ahead and copy the IP address, and then you're gonna send the IP address to your friend, the friend that you want to 1v1, and then your friend is gonna go ahead and do the same thing. They're gonna type in the IP address, and that's it. So it's that quick and it is that easy to 1v1 a person in CS2. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.